Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
This connector lock is stuck right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some water displacement oil and just spray it in here to loosen it up a little. I'll let that go in. Some of this is due to like dirt and sand gets in here. If some of that gets out, then it should be able to move a little easier. I'll spray a little bit down in here. Let it soak for a minute. Try connecting it up again. There we go, it's starting to move a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to use a little compressed air to spray in here to loosen up some of the debris. I'll get it from the front side as well. We'll see. It seems smoother. Definitely smoother than it was.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.